first Korean snack of the day. ¿Está lista, Ma?
Lista.
All right, let's do it. Esta.
Se ve muy buena.
All right, so this is called Sable. Sable, and it says France. So I'm guessing if it says originated from France, but it does have some Korean words. So I'm guessing maybe it started in France, but now it's also a very popular snack in Korea. Let's go ahead and try. ¿Lista?
Lista.
A ver. They're cookies.
Ay.
A ver, there you go, Ma.
A ver.
Enséñalas. Alright, so here's the cookie.
Se ven muy buenas.
Se ven buenas.
Salud.
Alright, cheers. Let's go ahead.
De mantequilla, yo creo.
So these are kind of like a vanilla taste. Not the best, in my opinion. Yo les voy a dar estas un 4 porque saben como it has like a chemical type of taste. I don't know if it's supposed to taste like that. ¿Qué le da usted? Yo les doy un 4.
Un 6.
Un 6. So my mom is giving this a 6. It's okay, but definitely not the best Korean snack we have tasted so far.
Feas, tan buenas.
Yeah, it's okay. Next snack that we are gonna try is rice crackers. These are the crackers. Look at these. Look at that. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this one. It says syrup coated rice senbei. I'm not sure what senbei is, but maybe that stands for cookie. Let's go ahead and see. A ver, ma. Ahí está. Oh, it's nice and light. A ver, ¿lista? Cheers. Let's do it. Wow. Really good. It's almost like a popcorn kettle corn. That's how I would say it would taste.
Un 10.
I like it. Un 10? Alright.
A mí se me hacen buenas.
My mom is giving this a 10 out of 10. She really loved them. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. This is really good. Yo le doy un 9 de 10. Muy buenas.
Tan buenas. A ver qué.
Okay, so my mom has chosen the white him. It says white hazelnut Korean snack. White him Korean snack. A ver. Okay, ma. A ver. All right. Here's the cookie right there. Let's go ahead and cut it in half. A ver. Ahí está. ¿Lista? You ready?
Está rellena como de nieve.
It's filled with some like cream in there.
Como que va a estar buena.
A ver, ¿lista? Let's do it.
Salud.
Salud. Wow.
Qué buena.
Wow. That's amazing. So good. Wow.
Very good. Muy buena.
White ham Korean snack.
Está muy buena. Buena.
Buena. My mom is saying buena. Más que le da de 1 a 10.
Un 10.
Un 10. She's giving it a 10 out of 10 right away. I agree. For me, that is a 10 out of 10. Let's go with the cookie. It says biscuit peanut sand. Biscuit peanut sand. That sounds interesting. So this is the cookie. As you see, it says biscuit peanut sand, which is very interesting. Okay. Oh, okay. A ver. Ahí están para usted.
Japón cacahuate.
Oh yes, so much peanut. Straight up peanut. ¿Lista?
Lista.
I hope you like peanuts. Pues cacahuate.
Están buenas.
Yeah. Very soft, buttery, crunchy cookie on the outside. And like almost like a peanut butter on the inside. Wow.
Está buena.
Está buena, me gustó. If you like peanuts, this is definitely your thing. De 1 a 10, ¿qué le da la galleta de peanut, de cookie?
Un 9. Está buena.
My mom is giving it a 9 out of 10. Very good rating. I agree, it's very good. For me, that's gonna be an 8 out of 10. Definitely really good cookie. If you're especially a peanut fan. Oh, okay. So she has picked the Sando Biscuit. Sando Biscuit. It says strawberry cream cheese. So look at this. This is the cookie we are going to be trying. like a cheesecake maybe taste. We'll see, we'll see. Crunchy cookie. Crunchy cookie. Oh, ¿estás haciendo? A ver.
Ay, ese con poco.
Okay.
A ver, vamos a probar.
Alright, here we go. I grabbed my piece. ¿Lista?
Huele.
Wow.
Ay, qué buena.
That's so good. Muy buena. Wow.
Un 12. Ay, qué buena.
Me encantó.
Tiene mucho sabor a fresa.
Wow.
Y luego está agrita, está sour y...
The flavor of the strawberry is so strong. This is so good.
Agrita.
Wow, me encantó, ma.
Muy bueno.
Yeah. My mom is loving it too. ¿Qué le da, ma? De 0 a 10. 0 to 10.
Un 12.
She's giving it a 12. Today's highest rating. She loved this. Un 12. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna give this one a 10 out of 10 because it's just so good. Especially if you like strawberries like I do. You're gonna love this.
Mucho sabor, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
Mucho sabor de fresa y...
Very good.
Muy bueno.
I guess it is my turn. We still have some more snacks to go. Let's do it, ma. ¿Está lista?
Lista,
All right,
lista.
here we go.
Seguimos.
Seguimos. I'm gonna go ahead and try this sweet milk. That's all I understand that it says on here. It says sweet milk.
Ya se vio.
This is the sweet milk. As you can see, that's all I understand. The rest, I do not. Okay, let's go ahead and try it. Let's split it. Mitad y mitad, ma?
Sí.
Mitad.
Vamos a
A ver,
probar.
¿qué probar? Mantequilla. It's like cheese. It smells like a cheese.
A ver, vamos
¿Lista?
a probar. Lista,
Here we go.
lista.
A mí me gustó. Wow. That is nice. Yeah. Wow.
Very good, very good.
2 thumbs up. It's like a salty cheese taste. Salty cheese, slightly sweet. Ama, ¿qué le da a esa galleta sweet milk? What do you give it? 0 to 10. Let's go.
Otros 12. Está muy buena.
She's giving it a 12. I agree.
Muy buen sabor,
that
muy
is
buen
so good.
sabor. Riquísima.
Riquísima, which means delicious. I am going to give this one a 10 out of 10. It was very, very tasty. Would definitely try again.
Tetín marín de dos pingües.
Let's see, which one will she
A ver,
choose?
esta.
Okay,
Esta
the
de manzana.
apple cookies. This is the apple cookies. Look at that. Looks very good.
A ver.
Apple cookie. ¿Lista, más?
Lista,
Va a ser de
lista.
esas que... Oh, wow. Está más suave.
Así.
Yeah. Oh, okay. ¿Lista? All right. It's
Lista.
filled with some apple stuff. Let's go. Está bueno.
Está buena.
I like it. I like it. It's interesting. Very
Está
interesting.
bueno.
Yeah, muy como interesante, ¿verdad?
A mí sí me gustó. ¿Quieres probar?
Wow. Very good.
Un 10.
10 out of 10 for my mom. It's interesting. I'm gonna have to give it an 8 out of 10. It tastes a little chemically, but overall I think it's very good, very sweet, and it does taste like apple. Good, 8 out of 10.
Muy buen sabor.
Yeah. I'm going to pick the Sand Ace. Let's see what it's like. So this is how it looks. Sand Ace. A ver una. Here we go. There you go.
A ver si sí. Pues como que va a estar buena.
Ooh, ready?
Ready,
Let's
ready,
go.
ready.
Wow. I like it. It's like a buttery, crunchy outside, and inside it's like a milky sweetness.
Muy
So
buena.
good.
Hay muy buenos productos.
Me
¿verdad?
gustó, yeah. I'm very impressed by Korean snacks. They have some delicious things in there. Oh my gosh.
Muy bueno.
Ma, esa galleta de 0 a 10, 0 to 10, what does she give
Un
it?
10.
10. She is giving it a 10. I'm gonna go ahead and give that one a 9 out of 10. Very, very good. Would definitely buy again. 9 out of 10. Esta. Okay, so this is called the French pie.
Vamos a ver qué tal.
This is the French pie. French pie. Let's see. A ver.
Vamos a ver qué tal.
¿Lista?
Ay, con qué huele bonito.
Let's try it. French pie.
Let's go. Está bueno.
Mejor que dos.
Es que debe ser de fresa o de keto.
This is de fresa.
Está bueno.
Wow, I like it. We've had something similar and it wasn't that good, but this one is better than that one.
Está bueno.
Yeah, very flaky, very good. ¿Qué le damos?
Un 8.
8 out of 10 for my mom. I'm gonna give this one an 8 out of 10 as well. That's a good rating. Flaky on the outside with like a hint of like jelly, maybe strawberry jelly on top. Pretty good, pretty good. Not the best, but pretty good overall. My turn. I get to pick the second to last one. I'm gonna go ahead and pick these cheese tarts. Here's the cheese tart. Okay, let's open it up. Let's see, cheese tart. A ver. ¿Está lista?
Lista.
Ready?
Lista.
Cheese tart. Wow,
Está bueno.
that's good. My mom is saying anything that was filled with cheese in this Korean snacks were very, very good, and I agree. ¿Qué le da más? 0 a 10.
10. Está bueno.
10, she's giving it a 10. I'm gonna give that one a 9 out of 10. I really enjoyed anything with cheese as well in the Korean snacks. Very, very good.
Muy bueno.
Muy bueno. A very last one.
A ver, ábrela pues.
A ver. This one says Cook
Enséñanos.
Dasi. Cook Dasi. And maybe it's coffee flavored. It says coffee. So here we go. A ver, ma.
A ver.
Here we go.
Como que sí va a estar bueno, a ver.
Oh, let's do it. Cheers. Wow. Wow.
Riquísima, buenísima.
Buenísima, riquísima, which means delicious, super rich in flavor. Oh my gosh. Wow, it sabe poquito a café, poquito. Slightly like a coffee, maybe a chocolate
Muy
taste.
suavecito, hacia café.
Yeah. Very, very soft, just kind of melts in your mouth type of cookie. So good.
Un 12. Está
Un
buena.
12.
Muy buena.
This one gets a 12 out of 10. I agree. I'm going to go ahead and give this one a 12 out of 10 with my mom. Very, very good. Those cookies, those Coke Dasi cookies, I think we tried 2 different flavors and they were so good. Definitely must try Korean snacks for sure. The majority of them we enjoyed, so we definitely recommend everybody try Korean snacks. If you haven't by now, definitely smash that like button and subscribe to BetoEats if you haven't already. Thank you so much everybody for watching this Korean snack series. We will see you next time. Adios!
Adiós, adiós.